Well, hello, welcome to another Drive with Care video. I'm going to take you on some back roads, so country lanes driving on this one. Definitely it's all about hazard perception, but awareness. The hazards could be vehicles coming out of little junctions, house entrance, farm entrance, also farm vehicles, but the awareness is all about anticipation, especially on narrow lanes like this. So I don't know if there's going to be something blocking or coming from the right, or whether there's going to be pedestrians. So let's take the little journey and see what we encounter. I'm actually doing 20, even though it's a 30 zone. It's very built up. It's going to take you up through Folkestone Hills, and then we will drop down into Hawkinge, I think. So narrow lanes, so really what I'm going to be looking out for is passing places. Are there going to be any? Be prepared to give way and also potentially reverse. I'm not going to have a lot of issues with people not indicating on this one, am I? But it's all about awareness. Passing place on the right, blind bend up ahead, still clear behind me, tight right. You shouldn't be afraid to drive these lanes, there's nothing wrong with them. You just can't go crazy. So I want to turn right here, clear to my left. Off we go. I didn't indicate, but there's nobody around. So obviously indication is about letting other people, other road users know what your intentions are. Wow, super narrow. I think I might even scratch my car with this foliage. And it's a bit bumpy. But it's a legitimate road. There are houses on here, so obviously the people that live here. Oh, can you hear that? Wing mirror scraping. What an adventure. You wanted to come on a journey to a country lane, didn't you? Got some barriers on the right here, so either the road is giving way or people have actually driven down. So that's an awareness factor. Yeah, there's not going to be much hazards for me to circle or ring, other than blind bends, and I'm craning my neck so that I can see in advance if I can see any headlights from vehicles. I'm not seeing many passing places here. There's one up ahead. Keep that one in mind in case I have to reverse. Straight road ahead. It's all clear. Fabulous. That passing place back there, the only one I've seen so far. Would I have to reverse all the way? I've got no problem doing it. I'm quite good at reversing. Junction on my left. I want to go right. I will indicate just in case I encounter anyone. There's nobody here. So up we go. It's a nice parking area on the right, which gives you a lovely view of Folkestone. I'll just pull in for a second so you can see. There's the Eurotunnel entrance there. You've got all of Folkestone and the English Channel. Very good. So I've got to indicate back. We didn't come here for the tourist. Nothing coming. That's all good. There's a car up ahead on the narrow lane, and it looks like he's stopped to let me by. So that's what you have to do on these lanes. Once you can see the road ahead, bear in mind that you might have to give way, or there'll be oncoming traffic. Don't know if he's waiting for me, if he's just parked up. He's looking at his phone, so he's clearly just parked up to eat a sandwich. That's my speculation. So unlike way back there with all the trees, at least now I can see the road is clear. I can see all around me. It's a junction on my left. The road swings round to the left. Nothing coming. So that's all good. It's like little farmland, isn't it? The road is now blind. There's a potential hazard here. Someone tearing round. All clear. Good. Just on my left here, by the fencing, this bit here, is a nuclear bunker. From the Cold War. Passing place. Folkestone Hills in the distance. Still a one-way track. Passing place on my left. We should come into an area where there are houses in a moment, and the road will widen. So apart from that video I did with Ashford, with all the stopping and starting, most of my videos seem to be just get from A to B really quickly. It makes it look like the roads are always clear. Maybe it's just Ashford that gets blocked up. Coming into farmland, could get tractors and such like coming out of here. Tight bend. Nearly done. Are you bearing with me? Are you still here? It's nice watching all these little lanes drive by. Did some photography up there once. Oh, car coming. I will pull into here quickly. Nice wave, you're quite welcome. Trophy from me. I like a bit of courtesy when people are driving. Lots of hidden lanes. I see a high-vis jacket. What is that all about? Someone broken down, or are they doing some metal detectoring? It's walking around. Town sprucing. They're cleaning up the litter. Good for you guys. And the road is back to normal. Hawkinge is just around the bend. Thus concludeth the lesson. That's driving a country lane. You might have to do it one day. Right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Drive with care.